Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Rapid Pay card app not working. So guys, the first solution is go to your Google Play Store, and from here just search for Rapid Pay card app and tap on the app Rapid Pay, and from here guys, make sure you have the latest version of the application. And if this doesn't work, you can just go ahead and go to settings guys. And then from here, guys, just scroll down through the settings and tap on the apps. And from here, you will see all of the installed application on your device. So just find Rapid Pay over here. Just tap on it. And then from here, go to the storage and make sure to clear the cache and also clear data. And then after that, guys, just click OK, and then from there you'll be able to fix the issue. And guys, the third and last option is try reinstalling the application. So first uninstall the app, and once it is done, just go back to the Google Play Store and install the application again. And then from there, you'll be able to fix the issue of the Rapid Pay application. And there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!